If you're a history buff, you need to hear this. Edison and Tesla were more than just inventors. They were adversaries. In one corner, Thomas Edison, the Wizard of Menlo Park. In the other, Nikola Tesla, the master of lightning. Their battle wasn't just about electricity, it was a clash of egos and visions. Edison, the prolific inventor, pushed DC power. Tesla, the brilliant engineer, championed AC. But it went beyond scientific theories. Edison electrocuted animals to discredit Tesla's AC. Tesla? He lit up the World's Fair and dreamed of wireless power. So who was the real villain? Was it Edison, the ruthless businessman, or Tesla, the visionary who gambled with his genius? One thing's for sure, their rivalry changed the world. Edison versus Tesla, the ultimate showdown in the race to electrify the future. Who do you think came out on top? Join the debate in the comments. Until next time, keep questioning history.